Now let's see 2017 question paper. In the 2017 there are 4 questions from trigonometry. First question is, if sin a plus b is equal to 1 by root 2 and cos a minus b is equal to 1 by root 2, then what is angle B? Yes, so same type of problem we have explained in the chapter, while explaining the chapter. Now let's see sin a plus b is equal to 1 by root 2. So in the sin, which value is a 1 by root 2? Sin 45 is a 1 by root 2. So you should remember that. So solving of that, sin a plus b is equal to sin 45. 1 by root 2 is nothing but sin 45. So if sin a plus b is equal to sin 45, a plus b is equal to 45. Simply. And cos a minus b is equal to 1 by root 2. In cos, for which value 1 by root 2 will come? It is also 45. So cos a minus b is equal to cos 45. That means a minus b is equal to 45. Right? So b cancel. 2a is equal to 90. A is equal to 45. So if a is 45, b is also. What about b? If a is 45, so a plus b is equal to 45. So if you substitute here, a plus b is equal to 45. So I got 45 plus b is equal to 45. b is 45 minus 45. b value is 0. Right? Just observe, student. Sin a plus b is equal to 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 is nothing but 45. Sin a plus b is equal to sin 45. That means a plus b is equal to 45. Next, cos a minus b is equal to 1 by root 2. That means 1 by root 2 is a cos 45. So cos a minus b is equal to cos 45. That means a plus b is equal to 45, a minus b is equal to 45. So b cancel. While adding the two equations, a plus a is 2a is equal to 45 plus 45 is 90, a is equal to 45. So substitute the value into any of the equation. So a plus b is equal to 45, 45 plus b is equal to 45, then b is equal to 0. Very easy, right? Here only one thing you should understand, the value of 1 by root 2 in the sine, you should note that is a 45 degrees. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Next, now let's see second question. If sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 2, then what is the theta value? So if the question is like this, theta is 0, 30, 45 and 60. You substitute this 0, 30, 45, 60. Whichever satisfies, that will be your answer. Suppose sin 0 plus cos 0 is a 1. Sin 30 plus cos 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So answer is not coming as root 2. And 45 you substitute. Sin 45 is a 1 by root 2 plus cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 is 2 by root 2. Root 2 by root 2 just a 2 root 2 is the answer. So మీకు ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇట్లా ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారంటే, solving of this for theta is very difficult. It takes lot of time. So instead of that, you substitute the values, then you will get the answer very easily. So 0 substitute వస్తలేదు, 30 substitute చేస్తే వస్తలేదు, 45 substitute చేస్తే మీకు రూట్ 2 ఉంది. ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి, రూట్ 2 ఉంది. రూట్ 2 ఉందంటే సైన్ కాస్ట్లలో రూట్ 2 ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది? పాసిబుల్ 45కే కదా. సో 45కి వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ ఉంది కాబట్టి 45 is the answer. Sometimes root 3 by 2 or 1 by 2 తో కూడా రావచ్చు, but in this case you substitute and solve it. We are getting the answer for 45. Okay. Next, third question. 1 minus tan 30 by 1 plus tan 1 minus tan square 30 by 1 plus tan square 30 is what? It is also, what is the tan 30 value? Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. You substitute, you will get the answer. So 1 minus tan square 30 by 1 plus tan square 30. So 1 minus tan square theta is 1 minus tan 30 value 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 whole square is 1 by 3 by 1 plus 1 by 3. 1 minus 1 by 3, 1 plus 1 by 3. You take the LCM by 1 by 1. So 3 is the LCM, 3 minus 1, 3 is the LCM, 3 plus 1 by 3. So first one is 3 minus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3, by 3 plus 1 by 3 is 4 by 3. So always we'll write first fraction same and second fraction reciprocal. So answer is 3 3 cancel, 2 1s are 2 2s are, so 1 by 2. Whether 1 by 2 is there in the options? Yes. Answer is 1 by 2. Very easy, right? So Simply, if tan 30 is a 1 by root 3, tan square 30 is a 1 by 3. Because tan square 30 is nothing but tan 30 whole square. So tan 30 is a 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3 whole square is 1 by 3. Because 1 square is 1, root 3 square is 3. So 1 by 3, substitute there, you will get the answer. Okay students, now the last question. So this type of questions are very important and expect in this time also. Cos power 4 theta minus sin power 4 theta is equal to dash. So if the question is like 4, we don't know the values of if power is 4. What you do is, we know the formula, right? A square minus b square formula we know. So what is a square minus b square? It is a plus b into a plus b. What is a square minus b square formula? A plus b into a minus b. Substitute there, you will get the answer. So cos power 4, how I am writing is, I can write cos square theta whole square. I can write, right? So a square whole square is equal to a power 4. Same way cos square. So cos square theta whole square minus sin square theta whole square. Now it is in the formula a square minus b square. So what is the formula a square minus b square? Here a is a cos square theta and b is a sin square theta. So a square minus b square is, so a square minus b square is equal to, you can write a minus b into a plus b or a plus b into a minus b. So what is a here? A is nothing but cos square theta. What is b here? Sin square theta. So substitute there. So a plus b is nothing but cos square theta plus sin square theta into cos square theta minus sin square theta. Just observe this value. What is the identity number 1, right? So what is identity number 1? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So sin square theta plus cos square theta and cos square theta plus sin square theta are same. So this is 1 into cos square theta minus sin square theta. So answer is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Whether it is there in the options? First option, yeah, cos square theta minus sin square theta. So whenever you get power as 4, you do the process like this. Okay students, so this is about 2017 question paper. Now let us see 2016 question paper. In the 2016 there are 7 questions given and all are very important formulas based problems. So always you learn the formulas, then easily you can do the problems. Okay students, now let us see the first problem. Sin A is equal to cos B, then A plus B is equal to dash. So sin A is equal to cos B. So we know that. What is the formula? Sin A is equal to cos B is nothing but sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta is there. Or else this problem you can do like this. Sin and cos, for which value they are equal? Sin and cos, for which value they are equal? Sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. Sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2. That means for 45 values, sin and cos both are equal. That means sin 45 is equal to sin 45. That means A is 45, B is 45. So A plus B is 45 plus 45, 90. Okay students, so you need not to do all this. Like this also you can do, but directly you can observe based on the values. Okay students, so first one is A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. And the next second one is the value of cos 36 cos 54 minus sin 36 sin 54. We have said one formula. Cos of A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Right? So this is based on that only. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So what is the value of cos A cos B? The formula. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So we have already said the formula. The formula is cos of A plus B. So A means 36, B means 54. So cos 36 plus 54 is nothing but cos 90. So what is the value of cos 90? Cos 90 value is 0. So answer is 0. Okay students? Right. Third question. The value of 1 by cos theta plus 1 by 1 minus cos theta. The value of 1 by 1 plus cos theta plus 1 by 1 minus cos theta is equal to dash. So this problem you do, I can rub the first two. 1 by 1 plus cos theta plus 1 by 1 minus cos theta. So by seeing this problem, what you need to do is just take the LCM and solve the problem. So what will be the LCM? LCM is 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Whenever you find problem like this, what you do the LCM, that is a 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta LCM. Then this will be cross multiplying 1 minus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta. So first LCM is 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Then in the numerator 1 minus cos theta, and in the numerator 1 plus cos theta. So you can cancel cos theta cos theta. So 1 plus 1 is 2 by, in the denominator a plus b into a minus b. So what is the formula? A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, that is 1 square minus cos square theta. 2 by 1 square minus cos square theta is nothing but 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but, from the identity number 1, it is a sin square theta. Right? 2 by sin square theta. So we have already said whether it is available in the options. 2 by sin square theta, it is not available in the options. Then what you can do is, we know 1 by sin theta is cosec theta. Already we said 1 by sin theta is cosec theta. So you can write this is a 2 into 1 by sin square theta. 2 into 1 by sin square theta is cosec square theta. So whether 2 cosec square theta is there? Yes. Option is 2 cosec square theta. So whenever you find any problem like this, what you do? First do the LCM, then use the identities wherever it is required, solve it, you will get the answer. So here how many formulas we have used? We have used this formula, 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta formula. We have used 1 by sin theta is equal to cosec theta formula. We have used a plus b into a minus b formula. So you should be very perfect in the formulas, right students? Now next, let us see the fourth problem. The value of tan square theta plus tan power 4 theta is equal to dash. Tan square theta plus tan power 4 theta is equal to dash. So this question, we do not know the value of tan power 4, but if you observe that from this 2 I can take tan square theta common. If I take tan square theta, it will be 1 from tan square theta. If I take common 1 from tan power 4 theta, if tan square theta is taken out, tan square theta will be there. Right? Tan square theta into 1 plus tan square theta. So if you observe in the options are only in the sec power 4, sec square theta, sec power 4. So we need to convert this into secant square. So we know the formula. What is the value? The second identity is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Directly if in the options it is there, directly this will be the answer. But in the options we are having only on the secant square theta or cos square theta. You need to convert tan into secant square theta. So secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So what you do is, wherever 1 plus tan square theta is there, you substitute secant square theta, and tan square theta is nothing but, what I can write? Sec square theta minus 1. So I should use two formulas here. One is tan square theta is nothing but secant square theta minus 1, and 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but secant square theta. Right students? So tan square theta means from here sec square theta minus 1 I am writing, 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but secant square theta. Now multiply, it is sec square theta into sec square theta, sec power 4 theta minus 1 into sec power 2 theta is sec power 2 theta. Whether this is there in the options? Yes, sec power 4 theta into sec square theta. This is not the option, this is not the option, this is not the correct option. So answer is sec power 4 theta minus sec square theta. This same question is present in your textbook also. So this is the solution of that. I hope you have understand. So in this, the main important thing is you should know the identity number 2. Based on the identity number 2, sec square theta and tan square theta values also. Okay students. Now let us see next problem. Cos 45 into cos 30 into cos 90 into cos 60. This is a very easy problem. Directly you can substitute the values. You need to remember the values of cos. Okay students, already I have explained you what is the important values: sin, cos, tan. 3 values you should remember: 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Okay students, next 6th one. X is equal to a sec theta, a cosec theta and y is equal to a cot theta, then x is a cosec theta and y is a cot theta, then which one is the correct? So by seeing this, already I said so many problems we are getting based on this. If cosec theta cot theta is there, so you should know the cosec theta cot theta based on that. Which one is identity? Cosec theta cot theta identity is identity number 3, cosec square theta minus cot square theta. If the question is sin theta and cos theta, that will come based on the identity number 1. If sec theta and tan theta, that will come based on the identity number 2. If cosec theta cot theta, this will come based on the identity number 3. If it is sin theta and 1 by sin theta and cosec theta, then there is no identity. Simply multiply sin theta and cosec theta. Okay students, so this question, x is equal to cosec theta and y is equal to a cot theta, what you do is, right, so squaring on the both sides, we have x is equal to a cosec theta, y is equal to a cot theta. What you need to do, whenever this type of question is there, you do the squaring on the both sides. X square is equal to, or else you can bring this side, x by a is equal to cosec theta, y by a only, yes, y by a is equal to cot theta. Squaring on the both sides, x square by a square is equal to cosec theta, cosec square theta, y square by a square is equal to cot square theta. Now say this is equation number 1 and equation number 2. If you do 1 minus 2, right hand side cosec square theta minus cot square theta will be there. So left hand side x square by a square minus y square by a square is equal to cosec square theta minus cot square theta. So what I am doing, equation 1 minus 2. Why 1 minus 2 is doing? Because I can eliminate the theta. This is the problem based on the eliminating the theta. So eliminating theta, I need to do the minus only. If it is based on the first identity, you should do the plus. If it is the second identity, minus. Third identity, minus. If it is not based on the identity, you do the product. So these 4 types problems are coming. Right students? So here I am doing minus. Anyway, this will be cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. So I can take left hand side as LCM is a square, x square minus y square. So if you send this side, x square minus y square is equal to a square is the answer. So which one is the correct answer? First one? No. Second one? Yes. X square minus y square is equal to a square. So this is the problem based on the eliminating theta. Problem is coming. You should remember 4 types of problems are coming. So one is based on the first identity. If it is based on the first identity, you add the first 2 equation. If based on the second identity, subtract the 2 equation. If based on third identity, subtract 2 equation. If it is not based on the identity, then the problem will come sin theta into cosec theta like this, or else cos theta into sec theta like this, or else tan theta into cot theta like this. Right? If not identity, this also we know sin theta into cosec theta is 1, cos theta into sec theta into 1, tan theta into cot theta is 1. Right? So 1 and 2 equation you should multiply in this case. If it is based on the identity, you either subtract or add the equations. Okay students? Now the last problem, if sin A is equal to 7 by 25, then what is the cot A? It is a very easy problem. So how we can do this? Sin A is equal to 7 by 25. So already we said, if the problem is like this, you draw the diagram. A, take A here, B here, C. Sin A is 7 by 25. 7 by sin A is the opposite by hypotenuse. So if I take theta here, opposite is this one 7 and this is a 25. And we know the triplets. 7, 25 means this is a 24. So already we have learned what are the triplet. 3, 4, 5 is a one triplet, 7, 24, 25 is a one triplet, 5, 12, 13 is a one triplet, 6, 8, 10 are another triplets. So if you remember the triplet, directly you can substitute here. Now what they are asking, cot A. Cot is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse is a sine. Opposite side by hypotenuse is sine. Cot is nothing but cot theta is equal to adjacent side by opposite side. So for this, what is adjacent side? Adjacent is 24, and what is opposite side? 7. 24 by 7 will be answer. So 24 by 7, D is the option, right? So if you remember like this, whatever they ask, if they ask cot, adjacent by opposite. If they ask sine, it is anyway sine is given opposite by hypotenuse. If it is cos, it is a adjacent by hypotenuse. If it is sec, reciprocal of cos, hypotenuse by adjacent. If it is tan, opposite by adjacent. If it is cot, adjacent by opposite. Okay students, already we have explained in the chapter, while explaining the chapter. So this is about 2016 question paper. Now let us do 2015 question paper. So in the 2015 there are 5 questions from the trigonometry. The first question is, if tan theta is equal to 1 by root 7, then what is the cosec square theta minus x square theta by cosec square theta plus x square theta? So whenever problem is like this, what you need to do is, first draw the diagram like this. It is a theta here, right? So what is the tan theta? Tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. So opposite side is 1 and adjacent side is root 7. Then what is the value of this? By using the Pythagoras theorem. So it is, what is the Pythagoras theorem? H square is equal to s square plus s square. Now second problem. So already we know that. Already we have done in the previous, cos power 4 theta minus sin power 4 theta is nothing but cos square theta minus sin square theta whole square. Then a square minus b square formula, cos square theta plus sin square theta into cos square theta minus sin square theta, and cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1 into cos square theta minus sin square theta. So answer will be cos square theta minus sin square theta. Whether in the option it is there, it is not there, directly none is the option. Next, sin 35, cos 35, sin 47, cos 47, cos 90. So already I said, if it is based on the other than 0, 30, 60, 90, directly if sin cos is there, that is a logical problem. So cos 90 is there. Cos 90 is nothing but, cos 90 value is 0. 0 into anything is 0, answer is 0. Right? 0 into anything is 0. So we need not to bother about these values. Directly search by which value it is coming as 0. So cos 90 is available. So whatever the values are there, the value is 0. Tan 5, tan 34, tan 85. So this type of problems already we know that. Let's solve now. Now fourth problem, tan 5 into tan 30 into 4 tan 85. By seeing this, 5 and 85 is complementary. So tan 5 and tan 85 value is 1. So remaining we can solve it. So tan 30 value, so this I can write tan 5 into tan 85 into tan 30 into 4. So this is anyway 1. Tan 30 value we know, tan 30 value is 1 by root 3 into 4. So 4 by root 3 is the answer. Whether it is there in, yeah, 4 by root 3 is the answer. So I hope you understand this problem also. Now the last problem, x tan theta plus y sec theta is equal to p, x sec theta plus y tan theta is equal to q. Then which one is the correct? So it is sec theta and tan theta is there. So we will use which identity? Identity number 2, sec square theta minus tan square theta identity. So let's solve this problem. So first I will do squaring on the both sides. X tan theta plus y sec theta is equal to p. By squaring on the both sides I am getting as a plus b whole square formula. A square is x square tan square theta plus y square sec square theta plus 2xy sec tan theta sec theta is equal to p square. This is equation number 1. And second equation which we are having is x sec theta plus y tan theta is equal to q. Right? By squaring on this, I will get as x square sec square theta plus y square tan square theta plus a square plus b square plus 2ab 2xy sec theta tan theta is equal to q square. Now what you do is, here tan theta sec theta is same. These two should be cancelled. So what you need to do, you do the minus, right? So minus means this total will be cancelled. So now here we are having, if I take x square common, tan square theta minus x square theta plus here y square if I take common, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to p square minus q square. So we know the value of sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. It is tan square theta minus sec square theta. It is nothing but, if I take minus common, tan square theta minus sec square theta is equal to, what it will come? Minus 1. So sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. If it is a, if you can write like this, if I take minus common, sec square theta minus tan square theta plus y square total 1 is equal to p square minus q square. This is again 1. That means minus x square minus into 1 is minus x square plus y square is equal to p square minus q square. This is the answer. So which one is the answer? X square plus y square, this is not an answer. This is also not an answer. Either this or this. So q square plus p square is equal to x square minus y square. Is it the option? Q square minus p square is equal to x square minus y square. So what you do is, it is minus x square plus y square is there, but in the options it is x square minus y square is there. So either second one answer or third one answer. So let us see. You take the minus common here. So x square minus y square is equal to p square minus q square. You send minus to that side. X square minus y square is equal to, by multiplying you will get q square minus p square. So this is the answer. So which one is the answer? Q square minus p square is equal to x square minus y square. This is about 2015 question paper. So we have seen 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 6 question papers we have solved. I think if you solve all these problems, definitely you can solve in the examination from the trigonometry all the problems. Okay students? Thank you very much. In the next video, we are going to see applications for trigonometry. Okay students, thank you very much.